My little girl is all grown up now, and she is still very precious to me. When she was little, I remember when she would bring books or nursery rhymes to me and sit on my lap and ask me to read Go Dog Go, and Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. I worried about Abby when she went to graduate school in St. Augustine, Florida, because she was so far away from me. Now I don't have to worry as much about Abby because I know Tom will be there to look after and take care of her. My little girl is all grown up now and married to a wonderful person, and I know they will be very happy together.
Wake up to you every morning, sleep next to you every night, and even when you're not near me, you're by my side all the time.
Tom, today we will finally become husband and wife. A day I honestly knew would happen from the day we went on our first date in the middle of a global pandemic. Since that day, you have shown me nothing but love, support, and what it is like to have a true partner in life.
Abby, I love you so much. You are the most caring, loving, and sweetest person I know. You are truly my other half and my better half. With you, I feel like I have an equal partner and someone who I can face anything with. You make me a better person, and being with you makes me want to push myself to be the best version of me.
No matter what challenges we may face in the years to come, I know at the end of the day, we will always choose each other. I know I have the best man to come home to each and every day, who loves me unconditionally, and together we can get through anything.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Oh, I don't want to wrinkle you. Oh, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
Is it what you were expecting?
My little girl is all grown up.
You make me happier than I ever thought possible, and I feel like the luckiest guy in the world to have you as my wife. Thank you for loving me for who I am and allowing me to be myself.
I promise to always love and support you. I promise to give you sympathy laughs when you tell one of your terrible jokes, and try not to beat you too terribly at golf at every course other than Oak Hills and Girard. I can't wait to continue growing our lives together, seeing the world together, building a home together, and eventually creating a family together.
I am so happy I get to do life with my best friend, favorite person, and favorite golf partner. I look forward to many more years of watching TV, ice cream dates, and falling asleep on the couch with you. I promise to love you every day and can't wait to spend forever with you.
You are everything I could ever want and everything I will ever need. I can't wait to experience this day with you and cheers an old-fashioned to forever with you. I love you so much.
And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for me. And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for me. For life.
In the name of God,
In the name of God,
I, Tom, take you, Abby,
take you, Abby,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until death do us part.
till death do us part.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
She wanted me to come home from Mississippi to go to the loading dock for her birthday and to meet Tom. As we were walking through the parking lot, they were holding hands, which almost stopped me in my tracks because never have I ever seen my sister be affectionate with anyone. Throughout the day, they had their arms around each other and were occasionally holding hands. The whole day I thought to myself that this guy must be something special, because I've never seen my sister act like this. Since coming into Abby's life, Tom has always been very respectful and understanding of how close Abby and I are. And for that, I'm forever grateful. Hopefully you haven't regretted telling me that I'm always welcome.
In the name of God,
I, Abby,
Abby,
take you, Tom,
take you, Tom,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until death do us part.
till death do us part.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
I am Tom's twin. I'm also his body double. I do all the stunts for us. We went to college together, but then we separated as Tom went to Kansas City to become a physical therapist. But soon after, he came back to the area, and I'm glad he did. And we're pretty certain Abby is too, since that's where they met. And other than Abby, I know Tom probably the best, and I've never seen him so happy before.
Tom and Abby, you have declared your consent and vows before God and this congregation. May God confirm your covenant and fill you both with grace. Tom, you may now kiss your bride.
I tell myself when I find this, we'll throw the key and run. Tonight we're locking my promise to make you mine all the time. Yeah, to make you mine all the time. And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for me. And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for me. There's gonna be ups and downs. There's gonna be smiles and frowns. There's gonna be days when we wanna go our own way.
They're welcomed into their wedding reception as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Tom Johnson.
Joy and the pain. I know that you'll do the same. And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for me. And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made, you were made. And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for me. And it feels like you were made just for me. You were made just for me. For life. For life.
Remember this: happiness is not what you want, but wanting what you have. And you have each other now.